So this is the weekend. So you're gonna chill with daddy. So today we're gonna talk about what's the first thing you need to do once you get your motorcycle.
Well, the first thing you need to do once you get your bike is always something to do with suspension. What I notice is usually when you get your bike for the first time, the showroom floor would actually gives you a very high PSI on the tires, yeah? Usually it's 36 PSI. Try to lower it down to maybe 33, 34 and see how it goes, so that your bike would not be so jumpy. And the other thing is, once you get your bike, you need to check if your bike actually comes with the fully adjustable forks or rear suspension. If yes, I would really recommend to bring it to a professional to get it adjusted to your weight. And what you're gonna see and appreciate is the bike feels a little bit more comfortable. The suspension, the feel of every potholes and the road will be a little bit much better, yeah.